I'm trying to try coffees from every coffee producing country in the world, and it's a great journey. And I found some amazing coffees along the way, like Yunnan, that was a particularly good one, Costa Rica. At the moment I've got one, it's from Haiti, and from Rabbit Roasters in Canada, and it tastes amazingly walnut. So I'm looking for different countries all the time, and the one I've got today is from Uganda, and it's from an Australian roaster, 5 Senses. And I want to show you my process for making coffee, because it's a little different to most people, but it makes it really easy. So hopefully you'll see just how simple it is. Now the first thing I'm going to do, which is a little weird, is measure the density, and that tells us the roast level. So I've got a 100ml volumetric cylinder here, and I'm going to gloss over this bit really quickly because there's another video on how to do this. But yeah, so let's get in and find the density of this coffee, which will tell us the roast level. Okay. Now you can't tell roast level from colour alone. .6. 0.426. Right, so that turns out to be a reasonably light roast. Interesting. That should help show the fruit flavours. Okay, so off to density.coffee website now. Now the roast date on this is the 28th of September. So let's go to the website and enter in 0.426. Give it a go. Okay, here we are on the density.coffee website, and we're going to enter in our density, which is 0.426. We just put in 426. The roast date was 28th of September. Back one, 28th. Coffee name is BULAAGO. Submit. We're doing espresso. Right. Now, the dose we need is 19 grams, and looking at the aging table, today is the 10th, and it's still improving, so we don't want to freeze it just yet, and it's going to keep improving until about the 17th. So we're going to put it in bean cellars, bean vaults, for the moment, and I'm going to print this page out. Keep a copy of that. So we'll go down here to print this post and print there. Print. Alrighty. Okay, so density.coffee website has told us that that it's improving still, so we don't want to freeze it just yet. And I'm going to put it into these bean vaults or bean cellars. They've got a individual one-way valve, and that means I can try the coffee out without like opening up a bag and letting air into the whole lot. So I'm going to measure out as many as I can of these. Let's see. Which is going to be really boring for you. But I'm going to skip over that bit. So 19 gram doses. Okay, so we're going to try a ratio of 3.3. It's a temperature of 90. it's middle of the road temperature really. 20 gram basket, 8 bar, 63 yield. That's pretty high. And the cup size is reasonably small actually, 190ml cup, bit bypass water, and grind of 2.5. That's quite a fine grind. Now I'd expect this still to be degassing. Time 31 seconds. Should we give it a go? All right. Break up any clumps. Not that there are any, actually. Down. There. Tamp it. Beautiful. And we'll stick the screen on it. Terrible lighting out. Could be worse. Right, there you have it. So that just showed there was no dialing in whatsoever. We did exactly what it said. A ratio of 3.3, so we had 19 grams, 63 gram yield, and it took 31 seconds. It was bang on. We've got the cup size as recommended. Let's give it a go. Wow. Ah, that's beautiful. Golden raisin, tropical fruits, and sticky date pudding is what they say. And yep, that is pretty much bang on. It's delicious. So this just goes to show, like if you measure your density and make your coffee according to what it actually requires, you can nail it first time, almost every time. That's great. Oh, delicious. So at 0.426 grams per mil, that's quite a lightly roasted coffee, and making it via espresso some people could find challenging, but if you use the ratio that it's recommending here of like 3.3, that's quite a big yield that we're getting from out of a Flair 58. That's 63 grams, can just handle that, and it's worked really well first time. It's great, really. Really sultana, plump sultanas, dates. It's really quite delicious. Very nice. Thank you, Uganda, and thank you, 5 Senses, for the coffee. I'll be back for more.